Restoring a file or folder. Trash is a very important folder of Ubuntu operating system. It stores unwanted garbage of our system. It helps us to restore our files or folders which are removed accidentally. To restore a file or folder, follow these steps. Step 1. Double-click the trash icon on the desktop. Step 2. The trash window will appear, displaying all the files or folders you have deleted. Select a file or folder you want to restore and right-click on it. Step 3. Click on Restore from Trash option from the drop-down menu. The restored file or folder will disappear from the trash and will reappear in its original folder. To delete a file or folder from trash, select Delete from Trash option from the pop-up menu. The item will be permanently deleted from system.